Good morning. Today we will talk about mixtures part 2. In the last video we talked about the difference between the word pure and the word mixture, and we said that the pure is the substance which is made of only one type of materials, but mixture is the substance which is made of different materials. And now we will talk about the types of the mixtures. We said that the mixture is made of what? It's made of two or more substances. These two substances may be what? May be solid and solid. So this is called solid-solid mixture or liquid and liquid. So it's liquid-liquid mixture or gas and gas. So it will be gaseous liquid mixture or solid and liquid. So it will be solid liquid mixture or gas and liquid. So it will be gaseous liquid mixture. Okay, let's take examples. Here we have a vegetable salad and fruit salad. Okay, what about the components which are found here? All the components are solids. All the components are solids. So it's a solid mixture. And here in the vegetable salad also, all the vegetables are cut by the knife into small pieces. So all the components also are solids. So it's a solid mixture. So solid mixture like the fruit salad and the vegetable salad. And here I have what? Here we can see water and oil. Water is what? Water is liquid and oil is liquid. So water with oil is a liquid mixture. And here air. Air is a mixture of different gases. We know that the air contains oxygen gas that we breathe it and carbon dioxide gas that we give it out for the plants to make the photosynthesis. And it contains also nitrogen gas, hydrogen gas, helium gas, and many other gases. So all the components of the air are gases. So air is a gaseous mixture, or we can write gas. Here we have what? This is salt, and this is sugar. When we add salt to water, this mixture is what? Salt is solid and water is liquid. So salt in water is a solid liquid mixture. And the same sugar in water is solid liquid mixture. And here we have what? This is what? Pepsi? Yes, it's called soda water. Soda water. Okay, it's made of what? I can see here liquid. This sugary solution. This liquid has a sugary taste, so it's called sugar solution, and it contains also bubbles. These bubbles are what? Gas. What is the gas which is found in the soda water? It's a gas which has a sugary taste, which is what? The gas which has sugary taste. It's a carbon dioxide gas. So the soda water is made of what? Liquid and gas. Sugar solution and carbon dioxide gas. Sugar solution means what? A liquid which has a sugary taste. And carbon dioxide gas. So soda water is a liquid gaseous mixture or gaseous liquid mixture. Okay, by this way we finished the five types of the mixtures. We have 5 types, again, which are what? Solid, liquid, gaseous, solid, liquid, and gaseous liquid. We have no gas solid, okay? Now we will talk about the properties of the mixture. To talk about the properties of the mixture, we have to revise or remember together the physical change and the chemical change in primary 4. Can you remember it? Physical change and chemical change. The physical change that doesn't produce new substance, but the chemical change produces new substance. Can you remember this? Okay, by the way, here we have vegetable salad and cake. Okay, vegetable salad is what? It's made of different materials, so it's a mixture. Cake, we know that cake made of what? Made of egg with milk and oil and sugar and flour and many materials. So cake is made of different materials. This means that cake is a mixture? No, cake is not a mixture. Cake is made of different materials, but it's not a mixture. Why? This is exactly like the physical and the chemical change in primary 4. Here we have to say that this component or this substance is a mixture. Number one, its components can be separated easily. Its components can be separated easily. Here, can I separate a piece of tomato from the salad? Yes, I can. So it's a mixture. But here, can you take one egg from the cake? Can you this cake made of what? 3 eggs, for an example, a cup of milk, and oil, and sugar and flour and so on. Can I take one egg from this cake? No. Okay. So here I can separate piece of tomato. I can separate a piece of cucumber, right? But here, can I separate one egg? No. So it's not a mixture. So if I found anything made of different materials, it must be a mixture? No. It may be mixture or may not. Again, we said if the substance is made of only one type, it's a pure. Okay. If it's made of different types, is it a mixture? It may be mixture. Maybe mixture. How can I know? Here I have a vegetable salad and cake, and both of them made of different substances, okay? But vegetable salad is a mixture and cake is not a mixture. Why? Number one, in the vegetable salad, can I take a piece of tomato? Can I separate a piece of tomato? Yes. In the cake, can I take one egg? No. So, vegetable salad is a mixture, but cake is not. Why? Because here the components can be separated. I can take it out, but in the cake I can separate the components from it. Okay? Here the components can be separated, but in the cake the components cannot be separated. If the components can be separated, we considered it as a mixture. Okay? If the components can be separated, then it's a mixture. Why? Here, the components of the cake, which is egg and milk and oil and sugar and flour and so on, all the components join together. When I put all of these components on each other and enter it in the oven, all the components joined together. All the components joined or react together to be only one thing, which is the cake. But here the components are joined in the salad, or the components are separated from each other. The components are not joined in the case of the salad, okay? So the first difference between the mixture, like the salad, and substance which is not mixture, like the cake, number one, the components of the mixture can be separated because these components don't join with each other or don't react with each other. But here the components of the cake join together. All the components join together to be only one thing, which is the cake. Okay? So they joined or react together, but here not. So this is the first difference between them. Number two, here the properties of the components doesn't change in the mixture. Which means what? If I take a piece of tomato here, its color before putting it in the salad and after putting it in the salad, before and after, the color changed. The color is red and is still red before being inside the mixture or after. The color doesn't change. Type. The taste of tomato changed? No. So when we make a mixture, the components of the mixture have the same properties. The properties of the components will not change. They have the same properties, the same color, the same taste, and so on. But here, the taste of the egg, like the taste of the cake? No. The color of the milk, like the color of the cake? No. So the properties of the components changed. The properties changed, okay? Okay, so till now, we said we have a fruit salad and cake. But fruit salad is considered as a mixture, but cake is not a mixture. Why? I said till now two differences. Number one, in the fruit salad or in the vegetable salad, the components can be separated easily. أقدر أرجعها تاني زي ما كانت. أقدر أخد tomato تاني. But in the cake, I can't take off a piece, one egg or a cup of milk again. Okay, all the components joined in the case of cake. The component joined and react. But in the fruit salad or in the vegetable salad, the components don't join together. Don't join together. Okay? Number 2, the properties of the components before and after. In the case of the fruit salad or the vegetable salad, before and after, the properties changed? No. The tomato, before and after, before being inside the mixture or after, it has the same color and the same taste, and the same for the cucumber. Cucumber, its color doesn't change and its taste doesn't change. But in the case of the cake, the properties changed, the taste of the egg changed, the taste of the milk changed, the color changed, okay? It became a new substance, like the chemical change in primary 4, okay? So it's not a mixture. It's not a mixture. Okay, the last difference is that to make a fruit salad or to make a vegetable salad, you must have a fixed ratio. يعني, to make a salad, I must put 2 pieces of tomato with 1 piece of cucumber with 3 pepper, for an example. To make a vegetable salad, can I have to put a fixed number or any number? To make a fruit salad or to make a vegetable salad, I must put a fixed number. I must put 2 tomatoes and 1 cucumber and 3 peppers. If I put more than 1 cucumber, it will not be a salad? Of course, no. I can make the fruit salad or the vegetable salad with any ratio or any number of pieces. But in the case of the cake, I have to know the ratio. To make a good cake, I have to know the ratio. How many eggs that I need? How many cup of milk? How many gram of sugar? And so on. And if the ratio that I put it inside the cake changed, it will be a new thing. It may be dough for anything, for bread, for pizza. Okay, the same components. If the ratio changed for the same components, يعني egg and flour and milk and oil. Components can make them a cake. Other components can make them a crepe. Other components can make them a pizza, and so on. Okay, so here I have to know the components to make it. But in the case of the salad, any ratio. Here I have a fixed ratio, but here we can do or make the salad with any ratio. Any ratio. So again, we have 3 properties for the mixture. Mixture like what? Like the salad or like the cake? Like the salad. Okay. What are the 3 properties? Number 1, its components can be separated easily. أقدر أخد الcomponents بتاعته خرجة منه بسهولة. Number 2, the components don't join together or don't react together, so I can separate them. Number 3, the properties of the components don't change. They have the same properties before and after. Number 4, I can make the mixture with any ratio. But in the case of the cake, I must know a fixed ratio, okay? The mixture I can make the mixture with any ratio. There is no fixed ratio to it, okay? By this way, we finished the second part. You have to study it well and solve the assessment on it. I'm waiting, inshallah, for the third part. Thank you.